Let's go ahead and read our informational text. It's on page 78, Lewis and Clark's Big Trip. This is an informational text. It gives us facts about a certain topic. This is a social studies article that we're going to read about. So while we're reading this, I want you to look for facts and about the trips that they're going on and about the explorers that we actually read. So Lewis and Clark's Big Trip. Meriwether Lewis and William Clark were explorers who traveled across North America many years ago. They walked, rode horses, and traveled by boat. They wrote about their trip in journals. Lewis and Clark asked an American Indian named Sacagawea to go with them. The explorers were sure she could help them talk with other American Indians on the way. One day, they came to an American Indian village. Maybe Sacagawea could speak with the people there. She did, and they gave the explorers supplies and horses. Sacagawea knew good paths across mountains and through forests. It took the explorers about 2 years to finish their trip. People can travel the same route today by car. So this was their route that they went on this map. And it took 2 years to finish this trip, but we can finish this in a matter of days by car. It's pretty interesting. All right, so at this moment, compare the stories that we read. So we read the story about the big trip, which was a fantasy regarding a pig and a goat, which we know cannot talk and can't technically go on big trips in airplanes and trains and cars. And then we read about the big trip with Lewis and Clark and two explorers who met up with Indians along the way who didn't have technically cars and planes to travel in. So at this moment, compare the two. And after you compare the two, write me one sentence how they are different and how are they the same, just that you compared and contrast. So we can know how they are the same and how are they different? How are the two stories different? So go ahead and complete that assignment now. If you have any questions, let me know.